Hello viewers, welcome to another interesting video. I usually ignore rumors and YouTube videos that claim funny achievements and attempts to get more views without any real truth in them. This goes to the extent that if some display is included in the video, it is taken as some proof. This happened when Pakistan's Chairman Joint Chief of Staff Committee, General Sahid Shamshad, visited the National Aerospace Science and Technology Park in Rawalpindi on 3rd October 2023. This park displays the defense production of local and foreign companies. In the subject video, as you can see, the Turkish companies have displayed their items. It includes one of the Turkish loitering ammunition that can be used from all of the Turkish drones that Pakistan is operating. Therefore, from this, some thought that it indicates that the country already has the missile or in the process of acquiring it. As far as the missile itself is concerned, it is called the KaGeM V3. You can call it KaGeM V3. It has a range of more than 200 kilometers. It is said to be an upgraded version of the Imanki's cruise missile, which was displayed at the Technofest event in Turkey. The missile is estimated to be quite heavy and large compared to the Kamanki's missile, which weighs 30 kg. It is envisaged that the KGM V3 missile will have a turbojet missile engine. It is possible that the missile was exported or is being jointly developed. Some uh, online site claims Kemanki's is a winged floating ammunition. It will be armed Akinzi, Bayraktar TB2 and TB3 drones. Kemanki KGM, which has an air time of 1 hour, can quickly head towards its target thanks to its turbojet engine. KaGeM, which also has the ability to perform autonomous flight, has been specially designed to destroy strategic targets behind the front. Kimankis, equipped with artificial intelligence assisted optical guidance, can operate up to an altitude of 18,000 feet, the normal cruising speed of ammunition, which can dive to its target with a maximum speed of zero point 0.7 Mach, is is actually zero point 0.3 Mach. So on the dive, it becomes zero point 0.7 Mach. With a length of 1.73 meters and the wingspan of 1.25 meter. Kamanki's KGM can carry a useful load of 6 kg, circulating ammunition with a maximum weight of 30 kg. It is equipped with a camera system with 2-axis stabilization, 36x zoom, and a laser rangefinder with a range of 2.8 km. It is estimated that Baker is also working on heavier and longer range ammunition. So these are the technical specs of this missile. And as far as I am concerned, uh, it is still, unless either country confirms, it is still a rumor that Pakistan had it or bought it or it's a joint venture. These are all rumors. So I will always talk about hard facts and not rumors, even to get more views on my channel. So you are welcome to comment on my channel and please like and share for the future. Uh, Take care for now. This is all I had to say. Take care. Bye.